block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate.
Alright guys, so ayun tayo ngayon sa Circulo Verde for the 9/11 meet. Kasi today is September 10. So tomorrow is September 11. So that's 9/11. So kaya merong 9/11 meet for September 11. Pero celebrate na lang in advance kasi tomorrow sa Monday. So ang daming Porsches dito. Lahat 911, lahat Porsches. So yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Super dami. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa yung mga kotse dito. And yan, dala natin today is the Porsche S13. Ayun. So wala pa tayong Porsche, but hopefully someday magka-Porsche tayo. Kasama ko si 56709. Shoot siya dito, abangan niyo yung shoot niya sa Facebook page niya. So yun, magsimula tayo dun sa pinakaharap. Makita ko sa inyo yung mga kotse. So the first one na nakapark dito is itong 930 na Porsche. Tapos may 993, 992. Tapos sa lahat ng Porsche guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Itong 997. Yan din yung medyo realistic na pwede mong ma-afford. Kasi itong mga 992, 993, sobrang mamahal. Ito, GT2 RS. GT2 RS is a turbocharged engine. Ganda. Alam nyo ba, pag mga GT3 cars, yung Porsche logo nila is sticker na lang compared sa mga non GT cars, talagang logos. Kasi sabi nila mas magaan kapag sticker. Ganun sila kaseryoso sa pagdating sa lightweight ng kotse. So yun, dito may mga art cars, meron ding Boxster 708. Kakaiba yung wing niya. Yung wing niya parang putol siya sa, wala siyang yung wing sa gitna, gilid meron. Tapos dito mga induction, kaiba. So ito yung kotse ni Kev, bagong kabit yung mags, grabe. Work Master I think, tapos may Porsche logo po, black. Actually ano siya, gray tapos black. Parang yung R34 lang ni Kev yung style, yung tsura ng 997 niya. Ganda. Tapos may 992 rin here. Sobrang dami, as in sobrang dami ng kotse. Dito meron ding classic 911. Well, may mga docks pa. 911R, wow. Tapos naka throttle bodies pa, Marshall cut. Wow, ang ganda siguro ng tunog nito. Ganda ng Marshall cut. Medyo rally vibe siya. Seats, prototipo na steering wheel na Porsche. Meron din siya yung parang clock doon. I think yan yung pang rally. Wow, ganda nito. Solid. Ito yung favorite ko, 997 GT3. Wow. Center lock. 3.8 liters and GT3. Meron din ditong 964. Ito sa mga top 1 cars natin. Ganda ng pagka-green niya. With the meaty tires. Of course, Porsche classic wheel. Ganda nito. Well, projector headlights. Ganda ng interior, oh. Ganda. Tapos may putas-putas na siya. Ayan, so 964, 1993. This is sa mga classic air-cooled Porsches. Ganda. Sa katabi niya, meron GT3 MR. Ibig sabihin nun, yun yata yung Manti Racing na GT3. Tapos cage. Wow. Interior. Yan. Manti Racing. I think nag-iisa lang to sa Pilipinas. GT3 MR. Wild. Wow. Ang ganda. So may dumating na speedster. Wow. Ang ganda nito. Sportster. Speedster. Ganda. Bro, congratulations on the event.
Thank you, thank you.
si Patina Macchina. Ngayon.
Thank you.
Grabe, ang ganda
Well,
ng mga
it's a team
kotse.
effort talaga.
It's a team effort, yeah.
Wait, let me help him muna.
Go. So, meron pa, wow, 997 again, GT3. Wow, ang ganda talaga. This is my favorite Porsche talaga, 997 GT3. Ang ganda.
Morning.
Uy! Yung idol ko!
Morning.
For sure, car.
Morning, huh? Sir.
Dala mo. Pinakita ko sa vlog, sabi ko ito yung favorite ko eh.
Yeah.
Yun. 993. Wow. Ganda. May RWB. Siyempre hindi mo mawawala sa 911 meet ang RWB. So this one is RWB symbolic. Wow. Tapos may GT3 pa ulit. Ito GT3 RS. So yan. So this one is a 993 RWB. Symbolic yung name niya. This one's kay Angie. A 997 RWB. Big. Wow. So madami pang cars na dumadating. Ito ganda. Noor. GT2. Ganda with the roof rack. So yan si Kev. One of the organizers. Iba talaga yung no? Porsche community. Totoo. Grabe, ganda. Well. Wow, 993 naka T37. Ang ganda. Solid, oh. Center blocks. Wow. Ganda. This one is a classic 911. Wow. Yung interior, ganda, oh. Prototipo. So lahat sila halos naka-prototipo na mo. Wow. 912. Ganda. Kasama natin si Ivan. So, Patina Macchina. So, explain niya sa atin. So, itong row pala na to.
Yes, it's called the Generations Row.
So we have one special 911 per generation.
Okay.
So we start with the 911R. This is a tribute. The real one is only 20 units.
20 units.
So it's very, very hard to come by. But
Oo.
it's really diligently done. So
Oo.
down to the doorknobs, the interior parts, everything, the leather straps inside. These are all parts that were installed by the owner.
Oh, so
Made
lahat.
of the 911.
So parang halos complete car to. What's up, bro? Good morning. So this one naman is a
Model Carrera 911S.
911S.
It's really included because it's really nicely done.
Oo.
It has the safety stripes, which was a factory option before, and not everyone availed of it because it's a bit polarizing. But
Oo.
now it's a valuable option.
Oh.
This is the Turbo 3.6.
3.6
Um,
964.
TDS Iris Blue metallic with cobalt blue interior with the power pack and the Bad Boys.
Oh, ano yung, so what do you mean by bad boys kit? Ano yung-
Because in Bad Boys, they had a 3.6 and the option pack kasi here, the chin and everything and the power pack were all part of that 911.
Oh.
So it became very famous. They call it the Bad Boys. So this
Gets.
is the nickname.
Bad boys kit.
But the Bad Boys is black.
Yeah,
This
oo.
one's very special because of the PTS, the
Oh.
PTS paint. And these are the Speedline wheels.
Speedline wheels.
So Speedline wheels.
Nice.
This one, this is,
And that-
this is the legit
GT2.
993 GT2
Wow.
PGA unit.
Local.
Yes, local
Oh,
unit.
wow.
Very,
Grabe
very
to.
special. I don't think it needs more introduction.
Totoo. Wait, so alin dito ang mas Widowmaker?
This.
This one than this?
Yeah, this one is talagang brutal. If you didn't know how to drive it, it's gonna kill you.
Oh my.
It's really gonna kill you.
Wild. So
this
this one's a
one-
GT2
Yeah,
99.
this 993 is a GT2.
Yeah. This one's
This
a
996, it looks like a regular Carrera, but it's not. It's a Carrera 4, but
Carrera
it's the
4.
Millennium Edition.
What do you mean by Millennium
Edition
Edition?
comes with violet chroma flare paint. So, if you look closely, it's slightly violet. In some angles, it's
Oh
green.
yeah, masana nakikita sa, hindi masyado kita sa
Some
camera.
angles, it's black. With the cognac I forgot cognac or espresso interior. There are only 911 of these in the world.
911.
Yeah, so we really wanted to include this. Ideally, the original one is supposed to have chrome wheels, and the new
Yeah.
owner, I think he's thinking of planning putting it back to chrome wheels. He just acquired this one.
Oh, okay.
And then here, this is the Venerable 997
What?
RS 4 liter.
Ano yung sabi mo na term?
Venerable. Like
Yeah. The
the
997.
swan song of the 997 generation and the swan song of the Metzger engine. So for this car, for this release, the 3.8 engine was poured out to 4.
4. So special to kasi hindi, usually 3.8 lang.
Yes, it's very.
This one's 4.0.
Yes, it's very limited. The canards are stock for this model.
Yeah.
Everything is
Wow.
enlightened. Carbon fiber frunk. I know the door,
Frunk.
yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
So
Everyone
konti lang yung yun na
There are
to.
only 600.
600 in the world.
Yes, there are only 600 in the world.
So we have one or more pa here. Or
Yes,
this is
several.
several here. Wow.
Bring us to the 99 1.2. This one is very, very special.
Oh.
This 99 1.2 is a one of one.
One of one?
Arrow Blue, PTS Arrow Blue, Visac pack. The other, there actually is another Arrow Blue 99 1.2, but it's non-Visac.
Wisak.
This
Wisak.
one,
So let's explain din ano ba yung Wisak? Ano yung Wisak?
Visac basically gives you all the carbon bits and the wheels.
Yeah.
And a lot of lighting, the roll cage and all of that. But what makes this extra special is it's from a collector in Dubai, and he also custom spec the interior.
Oh wow. So
this is a full.
binili niya pa to
yes.
sa collector sa Dubai.
It came here and then it was sold to one of my
ang
friends
ganda
here.
ng
So,
interior.
yes, so this is a full TTS interior.
What's TTS?
Yeah, PTS.
PTS.
Yeah, basically it's Porsche paint to sample, but it's also used for Porsche exclusive.
Oh.
So meaning special requests with Porsche.
Wow.
To make this arrow blue and to give it that interior.
Interior.
Yes.
Wow,
And then,
grabe to. So this one, the last one,
This is the GT3 Touring.
GT3
So,
Touring.
does this even need an introduction?
Yeah,
I mean,
actually.
the driver's model, the one that people who love to drive, this is their dream car, more than the RS.
More than the RS.
More
Why?
than the RS.
Because
The
comfy
RS is really for track.
for track. Oh.
The Touring is really meant for
the-
suspension's tuned differently. It's really meant for the mountain roads.
Mountains.
Somewhat similar to the new GT3 RS and the new ST.
Mm-hmm.
So
Wow.
the ST is tuned for the mountain roads. The 3RS is tuned for the track.
Listen.
It's still quite stiff, but it's the closest you can get to a drivable.
Drivable.
3RS if you like to really go to the mountain.
So do we have a 3RS na 992 here? Or
None today.
but there are na sa Philippines, no?
There are several.
Several.
Yes, there are several.
Wow.
Some want to stay anonymous, but
Sana dumating siya, no? Para
we heard there might be one, but we're not sure. Actually,
okay.
we don't expect.
let's wait for that.
Sport Classic.
Yeah, this one.
Sure you know.
This one is very special.
Yes.
No.
I mean, that needs no introduction.
Sport classic, yeah.
Already? Okay.
Ingat, ingat Fredo, ingat.
Thanks for dropping by.
So these are the organizers of this meet. Ito pinakamalupit na Porsche dito yo. So my favorite Porsche RWB is here. Yun no. Tabi-tabi silang mga RWB. Woo! Hello! How are you? Nice. RWBs. Ganda. Parang M&M.
From Ilocos.
Don Miguel pala to eh. Where's your Porsche?
It's broken. The white one?
Sa dulo na lang siguro. Wala nang parking yata eh. Grabe, as in sobrang daming kotse. Halos mag-lunch time na pero dumadating pa rin yung mga tao. Wild. So ito yung dala ni Kirk today. GT2 RS Dilaw. And of course, Ravenol oil. Hoy! Grabe naman yung dala natin, boss.
Ito yung favorite natin vlogger.
Ito yung favorite kong tao. How are you? Vlog on vlog. Ano siya, guys, if hindi nyo pa na-subscribe yung channel mo, ano bang channel lang ginagamit mo ngayon? KJ Balt. So,
Subscribe kayo, mananalo kayo ng free Buzzhype merch.
akala ko ito yung mapapalalunan nila eh.
Ano yan? Giveaway at
Giveaway.
1,000 subs.
Yun, 1,000 subs!
Pag 1 million.
Ano ba? Paano pa? Grabe. Yung S15 na yung yung 1 million subs na giveaway. Ito, akala ko nag-vlog ka rin eh. Puro vlog. Yun no. So may piloto pala tayo dito.
Stop.
Solid ng box mo na to. Kasha yun dito? Yun no. Ito yung mga pinakamalapit na GT4. How are you bro? How are you?
Featuring us a vlog, Rally Cross Champion.
Oh, wow, hi.
My friend Justin.
Hi.
So, vlogger here. Famous vlogger in the Philippines.
Where's your car?
I parked there because I'm embarrassed it's not the 911.
Hindi, ako okay lang yun. doon nagtatapos yung vlog natin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga nakita nyong Porsches today. I hope one day magkaroon din tayo ng Porsche. So let's have to really work hard. And yeah, and check out nyo yung website natin. Andun lahat ng mga shirts, stickers. It's buzzhypemotorsport.com. So napakadali lang umorder doon. Pwedeng COD, GCash or credit cards. So yeah, yun, maraming salamat sa mga organizers dito for inviting me, sila Kevin Carlos, Ivan of Patina Macchina. So tinuruan pa tayo kanina about sa mga different generations of Porsche. So maraming salamat. And yeah, check out nyo, meron din kami mga podcast sa Manila Street Chronicles page. Every Friday naglalabas kami, and sometimes and from time to time nagla-live kami, so abangan nyo yun. Masaya yung podcast namin. Meron kaming last podcast, si Ramon Bautista yung guest namin, so check out nyo yung podcast na yun sa Manila Street Chronicles page. And yeah, maraming salamat also kay Stance Pilipinas and Banawi Boy for all the support. So yeah, thank you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. And yeah, always tandaan. Oh, uwi ka na? Ingat. Yun, always tandaan. Enjoy car life. See you on the next vlog.
I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, a celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going all this, why they call me no north. You could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep from what these horses say. Just get my good side, make sure that shit 4K, yeah. Baby, I've been serving L's like the weed.